Hi, I'm Richard Weinstein. I'm a Sydney advertising food and drink photographer, and I'm known for my easy, relaxed style, my creative lighting, and my quick setups. So today we'll be using 3-light kit, the 80K1. Comes with 3 light stands. It has an 80-300 Pro and 2 80-100 Pro in the kit with a couple of accessories included. AKR1 kit. What else comes in is the incredible 60 centimeter softbox. Really nice, easy to use, folds down nice and compactly. And these umbrellas with those beautiful diffusers, really great for rapid setup and beautiful light quality. Don't forget to like and subscribe Godox official channels for more tutorials. Now let's jump into the photo shoot. So for today, I'm looking to photograph some Sydney rock oysters. It's a food shot that I'm looking to give a lighting effect of a late afternoon, deep shadows, and bright and very appetizing feel. So I've started with my 80-100, and I'm using that as a backlight with the barn door attachment that just magnetically clips on. There's no cables, there's no power cords. These battery lights are just so easy to use, and you can see the control of the barn doors gives you that really strong, sharp shadow. It's just great. But getting my composition a little bit more closer to the final image before I adjust any of the other lights. And another 80-100 Pro with a honeycomb just as a side light to bring up the texture of the food and add interest. These lights are really so powerful, very flexible, and so quick to set up. So it's a 3-light setup. I'm going with the 80-300 Pro with a softbox and the honeycomb attachment into that softbox, and it all gets controlled from the remote trigger. Food photography requires you to be pretty quick. The food doesn't stay very fresh and in place for long, and that's why this kit is a real go-to in these situations. And look at that, just so beautifully appetizing. Well, I'm happy with that. Let's eat. So the image I've had in mind for a while is to create a nice, moody whiskey cocktail feel with a bit of action. So I'm starting with a nice dark background, getting the glasses and the rough setup in place, tethering the camera, which makes it really great to see all the different lighting effects. I love mixing hard and soft light, and I'm going to start with a strong backlight to create long shadows and to really bring up the color of the whiskey cocktail. Starting with a little barn doors accessory, really great little piece of the kit to control the direction of the light. These 80-100s are super powerful and give you more than enough. So adding a bit of ice, adding a little bit more liquid, lets me start seeing the effect that we're hoping to create. I love to shoot tethered, so you really get a sense of all the little details and the adjustments you need to make. Second light that I'm bringing in is the honeycomb attachment to my 80-100. sharp little light just to pick up those little dehydrated lemons and oranges and give just small amounts of light to the ice and the glassware. Starting to come together. I do want to lift the whole scene, and this is where this 8300 Pro is just so amazing, so much power. And I'm diffusing the general light using the umbrella with that incredible diffuser attachment. It is such a versatile light, and I'm just skimming off the side of the umbrella. Creates a lovely effect of texture, and there's a great quality into the light source that the Godox provides. Splash with the ice, and I think we might have captured the effect. I'm shooting today at Pork Hub Cafe in Alexandria. Arthur's made some beautiful dishes, and we're just hoping to capture a couple before his customers arrive. So in my kit I've got an 8300 Pro and two 8100s. So quick and easy to set up. No power cords to look for, battery operated. I'm working with the expandable umbrella and the diffuser, and a backlight barn door attachment, and a side light honeycomb attachment. Probably took me about 5 minutes to set up. Some food in front of camera. And then we're just hoping to get a nice personal feel with a bit of staff coming in the background, shooting pretty wide open. The next setup is a 2-light setup. I'm shooting food from overhead. I'm mixing the lights with a little bit of ambient sun coming through, and I'm also using one of my lights to complement the direction of the natural light. Still keep a bit of mood. Food is really easy to work with when you're using a combination of soft light and hard light. You get beautiful texture. Trying to keep it really fresh, really real and authentic to what this cafe produces. The beauty of having this portable kit is you're not looking to run any cables or looking for extensions. These beautiful little lights can tuck away, a super light, and just gives you so much flexibility and so much creativity to the work you're trying to produce. Hey, thank you for tuning into this video. Please like and subscribe all the Godox channels to see more tutorials, tips and tricks and new equipment. I am Richard Weinstein, and I hope to see you again next time.